Are these funny ugly, or freaking ugly Baby Baddies Fuggler blind boxes? Let's find out together. This is the heaviest blind box. This is the lightest blind box. These two blind boxes has the same weight. These two blind boxes have less than 2 grams, estimated weight difference. These two blind boxes are less than 2 grams estimated weight difference. Let's unbox this. Fuggler, Baby Baddies series. The designs are Lord Long Ears, Annoyed Alien, Rabid Rabbit, Munch, Wide-Eyed Widow, Rico. The rarity ratio for the rare Baby Baddies Fuggler is 1 in every 24 blind boxes. When I shake top and bottom, it feels extremely spacious. Front and back shake, feels loose items inside. Shake left and right, feels spacious with loud knocking sound. It's Munch, Baby Baddies Fuggler. The eyes have golden glitter finishing. Munch has super long eyelashes. Let's check the human-like baby teeth. The baby teeth looks healthy. Munch Baby Baddies has long arms. The buttonhole is the common beige color. Do your Baby Baddies Fuggler also have beige color buttonhole? Leave in the comment below. I love to hear from you. The estimated weight for Munch Baby Baddies Fuggler is 97 grams. Unboxing the second blind box. My personal favorite is Rabid Rabbit. Of course I also love to get the rare secret Fuggler. When I shake top and bottom, feels very spacious with loud knocking sound. Front and back shake is slightly spacious with knocking sound. Left and right shake is slightly tight with environmental diatom bag sound. It's Wide-Eyed Widow, Baby Baddies Fuggler. The eyes are different, one with just a black button. The other eye is baby pink glitter with long eyelashes. The tiny tongue sticking out, that is so adorable. Such a cute tiny teeth. The human-like baby teeth looks healthy. Wide-Eyed Widow has long arms. The buttonhole is the common beige color. Are this Wide-Eyed Widow funny ugly, or freaking ugly? The estimated weight for Wide-Eyed Widow, Baby Baddies Fuggler is 97.2 grams. Munch, and Wide-Eyed Widow Baby Baddies estimated weight difference is 0.2 grams. These two blind boxes have the same estimated weight. Let's unbox this. I really hope to get the Rabid Rabbit, or the rare secret Baby Baddies Fuggler. When I shake top and bottom, feel spacious. Front and back shake is slightly tight with packaged sound. Left and right shake is also tight with soft shake sound. It's Rabid Rabbit, Baby Baddies Fuggler. This is my favorite Fuggler character. Cute bunny ears. The button eye has double layer, which is different from the usual button eye. Cute pink nose. Pink glittery eye with long eyelashes. I love the cute bunny teeth. The baby teeth looks healthy. Rabid Rabbit has short arms. It has heart-shaped print. That is so cute. Common beige buttonhole. Do you have a different buttonhole? I am curious if anyone has a different buttonhole. Is this a funny ugly, or freaking ugly Baby Baddies Fuggler? The estimated weight for Rabid Rabbit, Baby Baddies Fuggler is 100 grams. This blind boxes has the same estimated weight as Rabid Rabbit. Could be the rare secret Baby Baddies Fuggler. I hope to get the rare Fuggler. When I shake top and bottom, feel spacious with weight at the bottom. Front and back shake feels loose and spacious, loud knocking sound. Left and right shake is slightly tighter with loose, loud shaking sound. It's Rico, Baby Baddies Fuggler. Are these beautiful eyes, or freaking scary eyes? The human-like baby teeth is cute. Cute tiny tongue sticking out. The baby teeth looks healthy. The arms are mid-length. Baby Baddies has short legs. The buttonhole is beige color. Which is your favorite Baby Baddies Fuggler? The estimated weight for Rico, Baby Baddies Fuggler is 100 grams. Rico and Rabid Rabbit has the same estimated weight. Please note that the weight sharing is only an estimate. It does not guarantee you in getting the same design. This is my last 2 chances to get the rare Baby Baddies Fuggler. This feels lighter. This feels heavier. Let's unbox the lighter blind box. I hope to get the rare Fuggler. When I shake top and bottom, it feels extremely spacious. Front and back shake, feels light, super spacious with loud sound. Left and right shake, slightly tight, and light. I am so annoyed that it's the annoyed alien, Baby Baddies Fuggler. Do you like this annoyed alien Baby Baddies Fuggler? Similar as Rico, annoyed alien also has mid-length arms. Baby Baddies has short legs. Let's check the human-like baby teeth. The baby teeth looks healthy. Without a surprise, the buttonhole is beige color. Disappointed that it's not the rare Fuggler. Would you consider Baby Baddies Fuggler funny ugly, or freaking ugly? The estimated weight for annoyed Baby Baddies Fuggler is 96.2 grams. This is my last chance to get the rare Baby Baddies Fuggler. I hope to get the rare Fuggler. When I shake top and bottom, feels slightly spacious, a little tight with sound. Front and back shake are tight and heavy. Left and right shake is tight but loud shaking sound. The ears looks weird. Is this a factory error, or it's meant to be like this? Wow. On a closer look, this Lord Longears Baby Baddies Fuggler looks cute and adorable. This Fuggler only has one baby tooth. Makes it so adorable. Looks like a baby girl. The arms are short, with fluffy fur. The buttonhole is the common beige color. Please remember to smash the like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell to be among the first to watch our video. I have two favorite for this Baby Baddies series, Rabid Rabbit and Lord Longears Baby Fuggler. What's yours? The estimated weight for Lord Longears Baby Baddies Fuggler is 102.9 grams. Lord Longears is the heaviest. Annoyed Alien is the lightest. I have unboxed today. Please note that the weight sharing is just an estimates. It do not guarantee the design you will be getting. This is the rare Fuggler. I hope you get it. Good luck. Till then, happy toy collecting.